video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 travel credit cards that I really recommend for you to look into. So there are a bunch of credit card companies and they offer a bunch of things, but I'm going to break it down to the top 3 credit cards that I actually recommend you to check out. All of these 3 different cards have different benefits and they are very competitive to one another. So I'm going to talk to you guys more in depth about it. All I ask of you is just take 5 seconds of your time. Hit that like button below, subscribe if you're new to this channel. It really helps out this channel. But let's get more in depth into it. So there's so many travel cards, and nowadays if you know what you're doing, you can actually take this to your advantage and you could actually pretty much travel for free. All my trips are pretty much prepaid for. Nothing comes out of my pocket. I don't really have to pay for airlines. I actually get like free food at the airport as well. And I'm going to actually show you guys exactly how you can do the same thing as well. Let's talk about the first credit card that I actually recommend, and that's going to be the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This credit card is one of the top tier credit cards Chase has to offer. The annual fee for this credit card is a bit high. They are actually charging right now $550 annual fee every year for this card. It is a bit high. I mean, over the years it has gone up, but the perks that this card has to offer kind of outweighs that huge annual fee that you're getting. So for $550, what are you really getting? Let's break that down really quick. $550 is a bit high, but every year you're actually getting $300 of annual travel credit. You also get TSA pre-check, which is a good perk. I mean, all these cards that we're going to be talking about have this perk as well. And they also give you Priority Pass. Priority Pass is probably one of the best perks that you can get with these cards. All 3 cards I'm going to be mentioning have Priority Pass. Priority Pass is actually a membership where you can go through a bunch of lounges in the airport. When you sign up for these cards, you can actually be able to get through the app, sign up your membership, and have access to all these lounges. All these lounges give you great perks where you can actually eat free in restaurants. You can go to lounges and have free drinks, free food. Also, some of them, they have some rest stations where you can actually take a nap if you have a long layover for a flight or if your flight gets delayed. So Priority Pass is a great perk to have, and all these 3 travel cards I'm going to be mentioning have the same Priority Pass. Let's not forget, Chase Sapphire Reserve is also offering $50,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months. A few other perks that this card has to offer is that you get 5 times points on flights when you purchase them through the Chase app. You get 10 times on hotels and car rentals when purchased through Chase's Ultimate Rewards platform. 3 times points on travel. You also get 50% more value on travel. 3 times points on dining. A complimentary annual DoorDash subscription. 10 times points on Lyft rides. The reason why I personally like the Chase Sapphire Reserve over the other cards is because I have a Chase business card. And I'm able to transfer my Chase business points to my Chase Sapphire Reserve. And why I do that is because the Chase Sapphire Reserve actually gives you 50% more bonus on your points. So let's say for every point I transfer, I'm actually getting 1.5 points. The next card I'm going to be talking about is the Venture X from Capital One. This is probably one of the best cards Capital One has to offer currently, with a great sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus for this card is currently 100,000 miles after you spend $10,000 within the first 6 months of opening the account. They are also offering 10,000 miles every anniversary year. So every year you have the card, you also get 10,000 miles. They're giving $300 annual credit every year as well. And for a limited time offer, they're also offering $200 worth of vacation rental credit. You're getting a lot for this card, especially with the annual fee being a lot lower than the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The annual fee for this card is $395. That's a lot less compared to the other 2 cards that we're going to be talking about. They're offering 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 times miles booked through Capital One Travel as well, and 2 times miles on everyday purchases. They're also offering the Priority Pass, which every card we're going to be talking about has Priority Pass. Priority Pass is probably one of the biggest benefits you're going to get because you're going to be able to have free food and free drinks in the airport and all the lounges that you have access to. You're You're gonna also have access to Capital One lounges and TSA pre-check as well. If I didn't own a business and had a Chase business credit card, I probably would go with the Venture X card because of the annual fee. The annual fee is only $395 and you're getting so much. The annual credit you're receiving from this is $300 and you're getting $100 worth of anniversary credit every year. So in essence, you're pretty much not paying for an annual fee with this card because of all the perks you're getting. Plus you're getting priority pass and a great sign-up bonus. The next card we're going to be talking about is the American Express Platinum card. This card has so many perks, but the annual fee is a bit high. Their annual fee is currently $695, but the perks they have is crazy. So let's get into it. They're offering 100,000 membership reward points after you spend $6,000 with purchases within the first 6 months. They also are offering $400 in travel credit, $200 with hotel credit, and $200 with airline credit. If you go down here, you're getting 5 times points on flights and prepaid hotels. Like I said, $200 in hotel credit, $200 in airline credit, $155 credit with the Walmart Plus subscription that they're having now, $240 on digital entertainment credit, $200 on Uber Cash, $300 on Equinox credit, $300 on SoulCycle at home. The one I really like here is the American Express Global Lounge Collection. Their lounges are a bit better than the priority passes. They're a bit more exclusive and more high-end, but you also get this and priority pass as well. You're getting a membership for Clear, which is a bit better than TSA pre-check in my opinion, and they also offer this and TSA pre-check. You're also getting $100 in Saks credit, global dining access by 𝙗𝙖, cell phone protection, premium car rental status, and just a payment flexibility. The annual fee for this card is a bit high compared to the other cards, but you can see the American Express Platinum card has a lot to offer. I personally don't like this because it doesn't fit into my criteria. I personally recommend the Chase Sapphire Reserve because I have a business and I'm able to transfer those points to my Chase Sapphire Reserve card. The lounge that they have to offer is a bit better and high-end, but for me, it just doesn't fit. So hopefully you like this video, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you have any thoughts or you want me to do a review on another card, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you are interested in any of these cards, they're going to be in the description down below. It'll really help me out if you click those links. And also, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys on the next video.